Hey everyone, it's Trevor here with Deviant Ink, and today we have a fun, quick tutorial video on how to customize a sled deck wrap. So this is kind of a newer product that we offer on our website, and it's the ability to customize your sled deck. So in the past, just some history here, you've always been able to order a sled deck through our website, but it was just a coverage option that you could select. You wouldn't see what the design looked like on the website before you ordered. We decided to enhance that experience and provide an actual sled deck customizer. So I'll jump into it really quick, but a cool thing that you can do just right off if you're looking for some just design inspiration, on our desktop we have a featured build section. These are designs that we see come in, or that popular ones that we see that look great, and we flag them as featured designs. And so you can click here and view all, and then you can filter over here. We're going to filter to sled deck, and as you can see, there's a few different options in here of different sled deck designs that you can jump right into. So if you were to click customize, if you like this this digital design or this overcast design, you can click customize and be taken right into that exact design and colorway, and maybe tweak a color or add some logos to it right there. But I'm going to navigate just to our sled deck design catalog. And as you can see, we've got just under 50 products. We're always adding more to these, and generally speaking, we carry over our sled deck designs, or sorry, our sled wrap designs to our sled deck design offering. So you notice a lot of these are similar. You may have one of these designs on your snowmobile. Great way to customize. But let me show you how easy it is. I'll show you a couple different things that you can do. Right, this is our overcast. This is a really popular. It's really clean, a little kind of grungy. But I'll show you on this design. Click into the customize. We'll let that load up for a second. There's we get questions. We'll do the tarpon design as well. Sometimes you just want like a solid matte or a solid gloss design. And so you can take any of our designs on any of these pages and make it solid, right? Some of these designs have 2 colors you can customize. Some of them have 7 or 6. All you have to do on any of these is change all wrap colors to the same color, right? So if you want an all black, change it to all black. If you want it to be all red, change all colors to red. So as you can see here, this is what the customizer looks like. It's very similar. It's a very similar experience to our sled deck or our sled wrap customizer or dirt bike. You get the deck right here. You don't need to worry about accent colors really so much with the deck. But we're gonna jump into the overcast design. With this design, you get one color. It's a darker, more grungy look. So you got that darker base. So as you go through here and just play around, with kind of some accent colors, you get a really good idea of what that design is gonna look like. So as an example, if I wanted this to be all black, okay, I can just make the color black. And if I had 4 colors here, then I'd do the same, make them all black. But we're going to play around with this. We're going to go with this with the dark gray and black look. Then you just come over here to logos. And we've got our logo database here. You can search and type in. You can look through our flags. Designs here. add some flags, change the color out a little bit, lighten it up, right? Kind of a subtle backwards flag design there. You could come back up here, drop in, obviously, Deviant Ink logo. We could go dark on black again. And you can just do things like that. You can stack all sorts of logos. Let's say you want to go add a climb logo in there. So when you click on the design on here, one thing that we've seen some people struggle with is, watch, the logo will go right to the center up here. So you just got to find it. It's not a huge deal, right? But let's say we want, we'll throw a mountain mob logo. See how it goes right there? And so you may think it's not on the sled deck. It really is. You just got to find the box and then drag it down and then resize and position. And there you go. So it's pretty simple, right? You design this up. Go to personalize if you want to put a name on there, an Instagram handle, whatever you want. Select coverage, which will be just sled deck all. Overlays where you can add in your gloss matte, gold flake, sparkle flake. And then the one thing that you'll want to do, I'm not going to check out here in this video, but one thing you can do, we do have some preset models that you can select from. Year isn't so important, but we've got some different manufacturer models that you can select, right, and add them. Best practice is to know your dimensions of the deck that you have, and we're talking coverage area, right? So you want to get your length, right? How long it is, and then also you want to get the height. Have those dimensions ready, so that when you place your order, you can pop those dimensions into your order notes. Just specify, hey, I've got a 7 foot 6 inch deck, and the height is 4.5 inches. That way, when we mask your design and print it out and cut it up, we've got a really tight, close fit for you. Okay, so there you go. That's how quickly and easily you can customize a sled deck wrap on deviantink.com. Once again, we've got nearly 50 designs, always adding new ones. Jump in, have fun, and enhance and transform the look of your sled hauler. See ya.